Good morning class, I hope you are good and fine. Class 3 subject maths, topic Roman numbers. Open your book, page number 5, Roman numbers. Today we will learn 41 to 50. 41 to 50. 41. 41. It will be number 41. 42. 42. 40. It will be 42. 43. 3. 40. It will be 43. 44. 44. 4. 40. 44. 45. It will be number 45. 45. 46. It will be 46. 47. 47. 7. 40. 47. 48. 8. 40. 8. 40. 48. It will be 48. 49. 9. 40. 49. And 50. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Activity number 1. Tell me how we can write 45 in Roman. XL 40. XL 45. V 5. 45. Tell me how we can write 43 in Roman. XL 40. 3. 43. Tell me how we can write 46 in Roman. XL 40. 6. 46. Tell me how we can write 48 in Roman. XL 48. 1, 2, 3. 48. Activity number 2. Write and learn Roman numbers 41 to 50 in your copies. Thank you student. God bless you. I hope you understood Roman number 41 to 50. God bless you.